Hello, we are going to start the database configuration assistance. You go to your DOS prompt, you type DBCA, and when this comes up, create database. Since we are using an Express edition, we can only create one database. Therefore, we need to use the default and not change anything. So when you say database name, keep it as XE. Only give a new password. The password is capital ORACLE, the number 4, capital U. That's what I like to use to make it easy for me. ORCLE for U, capital U, and then plug it with database. Just leave it blank for now. Hit next. Okay, let's say this cannot be empty, so we just do XE blockable database. Okay, the XE already exists. Okay, so that has been done already. What we need to do to go verify where it is. So we change it from create to configure an existing database since it already existed from the prior design. From the first instance we created, the CI2216 database is not allowed on the Express edition because it's called single instance. So now we will use the XE, the default that came with this, that use the system as a username, use a password or capital Oracle for U, that's capital U, and we hit next. Loading the database details. So far so good, we continue. We hit next. Just leave everything at default. We hit next. Table space is created for system auxiliary. We hit next. And then if you pay attention, we have our database configured as database name XE. We hit finished, and the process started configuring database. We are now 57% cooking with gas. We are cooking with gas. Table or view does not exist. We hit continue. Okay. Table or view does not exist. We can continue. Table or view does what table or view? Table or view. Let's find out what that means. Alright, even though it does not exist, you just keep going on and on until you're done. What I mean by done? They say database configuration has completed successfully. You hit close. After you hit close, you will go to your command prompt, right click it and select login as administrator. On your system32 prompt, you will type SQL plus /sys/DBA because you are now administrator. So it's connected to an idle instance. We're gonna do startup. Okay, when you do startup, we want to check to make sure database is connected. Okay, now because of the single instance of XE requirement, we are going to delete the first one that I did already. So I click on the CISC2216. Now username is sys and the password is capital Oracle for you. Hit next. Okay, you have observed that I have been able to delete the Oracle CIST2216. Now I have to deregister it from Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. Alright, if you don't want to deregister it from the Enterprise Manager, just leave it blank. And then when you click on the summary, it would say the database has been deleted and it's CISC2216. Now you can hit finish. And now we're done. Database deletion completed. You hit close, you go to the DOS prompt to test it. DOS prompt, this is how you test your database. You do the window and you type command and you right click command prompt run as administrator, hit yes, and then you type SQL plus /assist DBA because you are now system administrator. As we can see now, at least we have a TNS error that we need to fix. All right. To get rid of the TNS error number 12560, we need to change the Oracle seed back to XE. Let's try that. Okay, now I just type on the DOS prompt SET space Oracle _ SID equals XE, and that is how you change it to the current database running XE. Yes, after we've done that, there's no more error. So in the future, if you ever see a TNS 12560, you need to go and set your Oracle _ SID equal to the current database. And then you log back on as SQL plus / space AS sysdba. When you log back on, you will see a clean connected to the Express database production version 21, and you get your SQL prompt back. Thank you, and that's the end of this session.